In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Cursor AI using the VS Code theme system. Because Cursor AI is built on top of the Visual Studio Code environment, you get the same powerful theming options and the exact same workflow to switch them. The fastest way to change your theme is with the command palette. Open it with the keyboard shortcut. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and on macOS, press Command plus Shift plus P. A search bar will drop down at the top of your editor. Start typing color theme. You'll see the color theme command appear. Select it to open the full list of available themes. From here, you can browse both dark and light themes. As you move through the list with your arrow keys or click a name, Cursor will preview the theme instantly so you can see how your code, sidebar, and panels will look. When you land on a theme you like, simply confirm your selection. That's all it takes. The change applies immediately across the editor. So your syntax highlighting, tabs, integrated terminal, and AI panes all update to match your chosen style. If you prefer using the menu, there's a second path that leads to the same place. Go to File, then Preferences, then Theme, and choose Color Theme. This opens the same picker with quick access to light and dark options, plus any custom themes you've already added to your setup. It's handy if you're already navigating the menus or you want a clear visual path without using the keyboard shortcut. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the theme preview updates as you scroll feel a bit abrupt, that's normal. Cursor applies each selection live so you can compare before committing. If the contrast or font colors don't feel right for your eyes, just move to the next option. You can switch as often as you like with zero risk. Also, themes are saved per window session, so each project window can use the theme you prefer for it, and you can always return to the color theme picker to change it again later. That's it. Whether you use the command palette or the menu path, you'll be able to personalize your coding environment in seconds. Pick a light theme for bright spaces, a dark theme for late night sessions, or stick with whatever helps you focus best. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized Cursor AI editor.